बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बी इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली. Assalamu alaikum. Students, we are studying chapter 7, main crops. In this chapter we have studied. Today we are going to study about bajra and jawar, oilseeds and fruits. So the very first topic for today is bajra and jawar. And here the map shows the growing areas in which you can see that bajra and jawar grown mainly in Punjab and Sindh. So all the area that is highlighted in green color shows the major growing areas of bajra and jawar. Alright. So basically bajra and jawar are the varieties of millet. This grain can grow in harsh conditions, poor soil or inadequate water. Alright, so bajra and jawar are the varieties of millet, and this grain can grow in harsh conditions, poor soil and inadequate water. You know what? These are very primitive grains introduced to the subcontinent from Africa around like 2000 BCE. However, their production has declined over the last decade because of the rising standards of living as people want finer grains. And do you know that bajra and jawar are used mainly for animal foods, as bajra is used as bird feed also, for example for pigeons. So next topic is oil seeds. Here this map shows the oil seed growing regions, mainly upper and central Punjab, parts of Sindh and Balochistan are included. Alright. So you know what? That various oil is extracted from various seeds. It means that a large amount of oil in Pakistan, like edible oil in Pakistan, extracted from various seeds in foods as compared to using animal fat products. So obviously butter is expensive and is difficult to transport. So that's why there are various seeds and kernels used for producing edible oil. Edible oil means the oil that we can eat or we can use for cooking. So oil comes from various sources. For example, we can have oil from cotton seed or from mustard seed, from sesame seed and sunflower, from maize, corn seed or from rapeseeds. Besides, soya beans, peanuts, olives, palm as well as coconut are extensively used to extract oil. So oil from these sources is called vegetable oil. And some oils are used for medical purpose such as linseed or almond oil, as well as industrial purpose to make biofuel. Alright. Now, the third topic is fruits. Actually, Pakistan is so fortunate in having a large variety of fruits growing across the country. Fruits are also considered as an important part of a healthy diet. Alright. Fruits are an important part of a healthy diet. Pakistan specifically produces a large variety of high quality mangoes and oranges which is also used to export. Got it? Okay. Now let's see the map to know the regions where various fruits are grown. Okay? Let's see this. First of all, citrus fruits like kinu and malta is mainly grown in upper and lower Punjab, like upper and in lower Punjab. So these are the main areas of citrus fruit. Okay, these are the fruits basically grown for local consumption in Pakistan, like peach, pear, lychee, plums and melon. Got it? So thank you so much for listening. If you have any question, any confusion or if you have any queries, so you can ask me. Alright.